na ya de niama kakra bi ene brem ye nche ye boni taw ne ase ene ye be kasa fa niama biansa pebi ho ai ye be kasa one e de afa Pwalugu Dam ai no kore no abeta abontre se NDC for sheda e kata wonani eti trokese e de for ye Bawumia ho enti ye be kasa e de afa no ho ye to so bienu ye be kasa e de afa NDC for an intro die across the group say contract bi omode amoma amanfo ehun sensem eno so no kore no abedadi fourth state this state fourth was a fourth state so adwuma ko bi omo ye se twa adwuma nhwemu especially nhwemu no omo ye omode no kore aba abonten niam bi omo nim niam bi no ma omo ye nhwemu concerning contractor who are NDC for ama and some NDC for kafa contract kwa hefa so dem account kwa hefa so ema contract wa ban mu ene on betra konya mu di omo ye yet oso biem ye se akwa bi ye friend frank amwa ko hena na ye friend sen amanfo e boni din ye mane adwuma pa ne hwan ne hwan ye na e be kyerkyerem se adwuma o ye no e bere bi papa bi ne ba eye bi iti na atem etwapo no enso ene because say NDC na yes ade en ntino obia ebo ni nsema no ye be kasa afa ho if you also na ye ko kasa e dia afa ade bia information bia betodwa on this platform and on other media houses say John Dramani Mahama akọ any UN for akuti komaka say enkwato akonya enkwa todwa ekọ so bi atwem no ebe ya UN for enhwe kwa biso na yensan fa sa nema o wi afri Africa man yensan fa mera Africa man na no na nam so a ama Africa fo ya mo kire yen ene NDC for bo Mahama ba so be kire wo de nipa o de sa asem no e sha ase ba ye hwan na sha ase tu no musi o se o kon de ama Africa man na sambre na o sha ase o ko sa to kwa no dia asem na NDC for kafa na ya tie de na NDC for eka e de fa Mahama se wa kwesa ade no. If you are last but not the least, the retro says sabio contract ba ko pe itimi awodo e de man nipa biansa at a different cost. Sa ni ma we e na ne be boa no na makeka mbom na me no nyira ye di hu komo na ewia na ye de asi e ha e your Ras Media GH your live on YouTube but your platforms so ahodo e wo Facebook Ras Media GH TikTok Ras Media GH omodena na on subscribe on this channel omodena subscribe on YouTube we are kwa we chia kwa e wo TikTok and Facebook na ko support to yen so that be jumadi ayedie no e betumi akọ na aji hini e wo media no na answer na no komani no yesi eni nantwie ene mponko enantwie anase ya bull yes ye do omo abebere na ena echi won so omo nam omo di amerika na wura na asefo a omo abebere na esi omo ti so ene na yetimi de chi won yetimi de so fidi echi won be nipa dasani won no ma asema obeka afọ won no eno ena yedigina so e hold you accountable yedi video kitwa wi na yensamra back into the studio na men fine seme wo ho nyina ya mrew enti bo mota na trase popcorn Pepsi Coca-Cola bia o bia de onu bia na onu ma o de to bia na fatra ho na me no nyina yimra nsemi mu na de yeden yenchie yenchechere mu aka kakra me de chakese ma me o sei Antonia Ababelande enti video we ye ba ya ne de dwumadie no e hihye so de toso bio eye omampani akwantu hu the number of times we are mampani a we den ya obetu kwan ana kwan ntu kwan utu kwan a sabi udi wiem hyen na beko ehun sama ye kan ye enra ene ne senka bra na oman ni ye se yan retulu ye air force fleet ene ye ya ene enka sabi mampani nua
the aeroplane and you be you so am no so na me nua ayi Callistus Mr. na that Roma na no let or try there senior the conversations presidents have, you want to use that in privacy. Say, oh, now we have the privilege to know from President Mahama that he cares about Ghanaians. He cares about what he does. Some presidents, and I can say this, former president was telling me in one instance he was virtually weeping with an incident. And the emotional sides. And you know now to be rationalizing away what has happened.
Nobody present.
Yeah, teaching my own.
Yeah, teaching my dear Miss Michimiko.
Yeah, Kaise. Near in the piano at the home. And we will be asked by our conduct what we said in the past. That's the whole lesson we should take from this proverb. Say, and no matter what, how long it takes, President Mohammed's tenure will come to an end.
Of course.
How do we want him to be treated? How do we want him to be remembered? We are Minister of State. Ministry now will head sabi under President Mahama. You may not be there forever. Sure. He might reshuffle you. And design a who carry same card registration and Akoba say and even the explanation that have been given are contradictory. NCA former Minister of Communication after a figure say at the end of the year no the success rate was 81%. The current minister is saying that it is the opposite.
No, do you take him serious?
Where did he get his figures from? Why would I take him serious? No, the question, we should question what he's saying. No, let's questions rather.
I said that not with any malice, but because of what he has said initially on SIM card registration, and today he's saying some register. I want to win Stubborn Academy.
Exactly.
Coming now to talk about
National Health Insurance.
Your beloved sister or her,
yes, and man, any person, when no more sema obeka, and I had the whole accountable. Then she had an abebe, and I had a chill video, but the person had one massive, and a chill, a wolf video. I was young for assembly and I see. And this for since 1 year and 2 months in here. Bibia ababeto abonten say almost that's all move jam throw and the Yura Bawumia and then Addo akufo Addo Neso said the bayo mudibenya to me and said that be I can to me wo so when the throw in kontompo ekojia e ya na edeme pa so betumi akitam na 100 in a year na wanya ni any pool ewo abra ukita to me but say one fan no kore anya juma me yaba ma ebedru ba bi no wa kasa to me no ebefro me yaba ma etikro we mu ebre bi atwem achepa etikro we mu na ampipi abai ebedi akonya temiye pa enam se ampipi amanyuku ye amanyuku bia omo betika na akonya so a atwene po muti ene ntutu ya omo ne to apontre ni nyina nka ya kwa akoye se they want to involve the development of every part of the nation at a go. It is over here and people are manual breed on concentrate only on one part of the country, but they actually spread development across the country. I said, Pempes, baby, Pempes, so be over Cosubiano, and our mansin be over Cosubiano, or more how any dear more and Dane, any or mino, a fankaya waka. Any name say, Northern region. A yet, Babia, Sabu, Aria, ɛbɔ hɔ paa nsuo ɛho ɛna wɔ hɔ paa bɛyɛ nyinaa nso anim sɛ northern region for enuanom sremfoɔ ɔmo yɛ nkurɔfoɔ bi a ɔmo pɛkua adwuma paa ɛna ɔmo wɔ nsaase so a nsaase no ɛda so a ɛma kua adwuma yɔ ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛyɛ very easy but ɔmo wɔ problem baako problem na ɔmo wɔ no ɛne sɛ nsuo ho ɛna wɔ it in the wisdom of Yewura Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ne bere mu ɛna ɔyɛ project bi anasɛ ɔdesign project bi sɛ ɔkɔ akɔyɛ dam kakraka paa ɛwɔ northern region ho a ɛbɛboa ama nsuo a yɛde bɛyɛ mfuom dwuma ɛho yɛ dɛn ɛho ɛnyɛ na eti hwɛ bere a Kwame Nkrumah di Ghana so 1957 aban aba kɔ aban aba atwam aban bia ni hɔ a ɔkɔɔ n'akyi ɛkɔfa saa project sɛ ɔwɔ execute from 1957 ɛmmɛpem 2017 na obia ni hɔ a na ɔdwene sɛ there is any project bi a ɛyɛ suspended in the northern region sɛ yɛbɔ yɛn ho mmɔden na yɛaboa yɛn nuanom northern region foɔ ma ɔmo nya nsuo ɛde ayɛ mfuom dwuma bɛsɛ de mmiri kanka kyerɛ wo ɛnam sɛ Nana Addo Dam Akufo-Addo aban adwene a na ɛda ɔmo ti na ɛyɛ to make the whole country comes together to develop it. When they came, they also realized say, "Sa how na ewo not original na me no so ti a northwest into minyan so emfan yem fo dwuma no." E was omo pe kwan bi so na omo tumi ensia no. Edam sa so e man baby aban sign call na chi. Ekofa the project originally designed by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Ayefene Pwalugu Dam. Esande Basi Num said they have to build this dam to make sure say not in one hand in Sassana or one year come out to me from Juma and Brennan. No, able to me Afakwa Miso, not as Yanya in Su and Yaya Juma. I mean, Yanya Yakra Madonna because Burkina Faso I go for Tosi Oban. Assassin of Burkina Faso, it is Assassin or not regional. The only thing that makes it different is the Burkina Faso omo irrigation system eboa ema enkrofo akuafo omo ye nnoba ye ho adwuma no omo nya nso di ko omo ne so because Burkina Faso ne northern region dia weather no equal enso to abusia Nana Addo Dam Akufo-Addo Yewura Dr. omo fa project we de to omo ekon guso omo beye na se bi yen nyina yenim no project kese bi etise no enye project bi a osode ya no wasesa machine se akogu se wokọ akoye na mmom no adwuma bi se no beye a e wo se unni kan ko enkoya di be fe na feasibility studies onkoya hwehwemu se saa dam no kura wo ya cement be na wo se wo use iron rod be na wo se wo use blocks out the basic dam no ne kese or say yes saying the thickness all distance and I can bo ma your friend feasibility studies nebo be cost to say what is the most cheapest way to create it all distance Yewura Nana Addo Dam Akufo-Addo buy no or the sajuma way to the kokusu say obeye sajuma so Nana Addo went on through the championship of Dr. Bawumia to understand how this problem of the northern region can be solved. Tell me about me, I'm also like a video na share na yen koyene. Yewura Nana Addo Dr. Bawumia your man gonna say they must solve this lack of water in the northern region for farming. But unfortunately, they were not able to do it because 2019 yenyere mu de si wiase. Magana yesika sem ebeye basa eti sika bia na MPP ani da so se nke bia Pwalugu Dam yebeye Kumasi Eswami interchange any many other projects ahodo nyina no sa sika no ni nyina yensanka ye ho kire ye wokwa bi so na entenam sa so tino. Now we cannot dedicate monies to these projects because there was need to provide electricity for the people. It took to make say one top to family generating power because you are building Pwalugu Dam. There was need to pay services amount for provided to the government. It took to make say Pwalugu Dam. It cannot happen. So what happened is the MPP government had to stop that project and concentrate on essentials. And yema who here param in prayer in the Padasania Yabia, and the how any amania Cassia ever. Now, Kaimu said, Assem interested, but let's go back a little bit and come back. And Yana don't quana bedigana kunyo. Danado no. There were four different people under the Democratic from 1992. Omoeti Ghana Maiso. None of them took that bold decision to build that dam for the northern region. We have had different former vice president, and a former president, now of free northern regional. None of them thought of bringing such project to a conclusion. Just to remind you, yes, and the sea. And now, Sanado, who says, Sadi and Ocaso, it needs a lot of money. We are in crisis. COVID Abba Proye, yes, ye Paja Moa and the Ukraine Russia was by a day. So how can you spend that amount of money on the dam? So Nanado withdraw all this project and concentrate on the essentials. But I'm saying, say a party called MPP. I believe said we had a problem, very internal problems in the party, especially in terms of communication. Because a communication, I'm not talking about communication on the radio, TV, Facebook, YouTube, then I say form. I'm talking about internal relations and the forms of giving out informations to the people. We had that problems too. They tell mechanism. And I'm saying any Dr. Bawumia, I promised the people that they were going to build that Pwalugu Dam, Amamfoni Echo so because that was a huge project. Emma Yura Bawumia Echo Bikuram Yeko Bishan said, now, say, Northern region pa, dear Ben project number 2, they won't say, so I can say, Sabi, why Yama Northern regional, a year historical, and I say the biggest. And Yura Bawumia Barbecca said, the MPP government intend to build Pwalugu Dam, the bigger project that they have ever received as a northern region from the government of Ghana. I said when you were Dr. Bawumia. But what happened? The CN said, as we know, said the Union for the NDC people, they have this mentality of what? Creating a propaganda binum akasie and the two person. And Omoya, they find their way to make it credible. Tinieba, and this is for propaganda. Almost I say no more, but I jet piato. So when you're smart manner, obejeti. So you be a weapon and answer or clinical and this is propaganda. Where the idea for his administration, it means more than comprehensive bank statement and the figures shall know fake ones. And the Bachelor Ghana for Sekufo, paying for Biagana Sikanina, Yakaya Kasekufo, go de Shagana Sasiase, what Tom Nina di Musca. Temio Yakaya, send the Pukufa Kwako, Kuranka, Fobi Wab, just say, those guys are kings in line. And then this is me transit planning said they will try to use Bawumia. The idea, the good idea now they buy here to build that Pwalugu Dam to solve the problem in the northern region. They sat down to use it as a weapon against him, through which means by saying said MPP are buying another Dr. Bawumia and another DNA Mukai. Akutia $12 million at the Ama Contractor Sonia Pwalugu Dam. 1 year Sergeant now again. So first of all, Bawumia free northern region. Also about a project. Yes, a project on Sikano. One in a home growth for charity. 81. They created hate. Among your time ever share northness for adrenaline or Dr. Bawumia. Because as I said, or poor Kwasia or the Wondi and Disika abroad Monsofa. Not only in the northern region, also in the southern part and the central and wherever in the country. The NDC were able to make it look like say, you will about Miani and MPP are buying, and we are 12 million cities, not dollars, in the name of we are going to build dam. But now, here is when I come. DNT NDC for to me and Yanjina so a cancer assembly. Nina said, because the 2023 internal elections, any breakout to be about, there were no concrete connections and forms of communication among the party members. So the NDC capitalized on that. They took advantage of that. And NDC, in a way, were able to corrupt even the Auditor General to come out with numbers here. Not every, anybody be free, say free will, every form, every nifa, every benkum, every asasiase, we don't know. They make sure that the Auditor General will create something, an impression like somebody has stolen money. Eba kwasya fobrum to say Captain Smart and so mu, Edi Yedede, Sami Jamfi so mu, Edi Yedede, Okuja Tabra Kwanum, Eso mu di Yedede. A lot of the NDC men are not well known as a young kind of say, babies with sharp teeth. It to me more than a propagator to make sure say between the length and breadth of the country, that name will go around and say Dr. Bawumia na buying, and we are $12 million in the name of they are going to build Pwalugu Dam. So that make an NDC for propaganda more it Sami Jamfino Munyana, I can. And your Mokaya, Manabato, Ghana, Funyina team, especially the northern part of the country. Say, MPP for we are $12 million. I'm on a year, as some Cassia power of mine. And I'm so many part of Donano, echo to a body tear, MPP Amanu, especially the northern region. You see how the MPP lost heavily in the northern region. And Yakusasi from Kwanto Kwasem. All these things were part of the program. But my question is, where was the communication team of the party? My question is, why didn't the finance minister comes out to prove with the document said Adentia minister for food and agriculture and as a minister for energy then one map on Tiama Meka said ye project no first Adentia because there were no communication internally. And this is why the NDC took advantage of this and they capitalized on these false allegations. Now, you know, so you say, "O my na yetim no, o yeni biya owo my no, enipa biya na hotre na owo my no, edwene say, eya man yo for, ena ayeden ama na hotre no, and then you know, so you say, ye kuro na yetim no, o yeni biya edwene say, eya sikani bi ena ama na hotre no." So the NDC started pointing figures on some MPP that said they have stolen monies through this type of contractor. And this Yamanyuku minority that time went all the way to the site to bring out videos and pictures to prove to Ghanaians say $12 million better how 1 year. So in the evidence of videos, pictures, whereby we are telling you, say, Auditor General, SAPSC say, what will the ordinary Ghanaian think? The ordinary Ghanaian will fall flat into the lies of the NDC. Take video with Nayamra. Just listen to this video and we will continue. Listen.
Pwalugu irrigation project. Sikane dodo is saying $11,949,088.06. Next akaka krebi na $12 million.
Because almost 12 million.
Pwalugu Dam, MPP are buying every sika 12-point-something million US dollars. Yes, the then opposition leader, John Darega Dramani Mahama, and Sukabi, added to us.
$1 million was paid for no work done. You go to the site, there's absolutely nothing there. And so somebody has caused financial loss to the state and must be held to account.
It is not in
Young Kasiura John Mahama no yet then opposition leader so Kurabina to said Daddy Uko site why a year Juma, but a more PSC $12 million at the Ama contractor. Samija Visanko news file so Esanko Cancer
doubt that payment to the tune of almost $12 million has been
11.9.
To the company. That's a huge amount of money. Okay.
Directed that almost 12 million be paid to Power China International when no work is being done.
Unfortunately, like you.
Papa, you can say, I think say, or no, yet a boot jinapo. Yes, because Bakunia Samuel Jinapo, or me and your phone, Baku people about Baku and this. We are on the Minister of Energy. On also Quatran say, a vetted committee and him consider and say, to him, no. MPP for $12 million at the Ama contractor.
You are aware the contractor took the money and bolted, let me put it that way, and left Ghana. So
one can say contractor needs Sikano and day, but the dry here a free Ghana man. And you know, take was a penny university.
Pwalugu, you are spending $11.9 million. Parliamentary committee, your cohort, nothing to show. The place is overgrown with $11.9 million.
A few moments later.
Okuja Tabra kwa Akabi. Sami Jamfi Akabi. President John Darega Dramani Mahama Akabi. Sam George and many other communicators. And some other prominent NDC members. Eba Bontain, Ebe Kasafa, Dam, say a fraud, a chronobofita, Bawumia, and Riesika. Bessing and coupon away, or funny born ton and tem, Bessel tour, a very effective. And then, Papa na then, now you're former Minister of Energy and then this year, the brother to then Minister of Energy, Samuel Rapo. And then you could friend war EPAC committee. Say, Oman no make sense in the now you see a dinipa when no more sem na get the soup for the intel. And I'm said the former Minister of Interior, I no see a northerner to solve. Now on why your research who the reality on the field. Oh, who say Papa na bet na hona no see that be. Who na wabai, we are not 97. Yen na yen the reality at the Pwalugu Dam. Entiness wapatia. Take advantage of this today. And now we be abai mo nan krata kita unsam. Now we can kind who the ya yen the yen yo ye. I said you promise say will be a cost to financial loss to the state and to our bachelor. And up to now, what is the outcome of the research that you have been embarked on?
The Pwalugu Dam contractor was paid $11.9 million. Have you done audit to see whether the contractor was paid for work done, or that you believe that he bolted away, as you put it?
No, so far, our preliminary investigation shows that the contractor was not paid for the work done.
But it's a year, and then the papa way can't Ghana phone in said investigations are more year not to say. But you tell you, with the some of video will be not see video.
Dam contractor was paid $11.9 million. Have you? It may not directly have fallen under your ministry in the previous government, but because of the electricity generation component, I believe you have an interest, and so you will have followed it. Have you done audit to see whether the contractor was paid for work done, or that you believe that he bolted away, as you put it?
No, so far, our preliminary investigation shows that the contractor was not paid for the work done, and so we'll refer the matter to the Attorney General for investigation and possible prosecution. The only unfortunate thing, like I said, is that the contractor has left the shore.
And it in year pa, if you finally, and that year, when I was Minister of Energy, when you were in opposition, you were interested in Pwalugu Dam. Say ye timu sika, eyabuya, so krum funyan so mfanya juma. I say no baba who to me so by mubia. The one who the reality, not who deserve to be punished or punishable. Akosi Sanya, the guy looks into the eye of the host and told him, say, Omu Rimu Omuayan say, contractor na Omu Kase, yetia $12 million a man money dear drying Africana. I'm going to say, no, I'm here to no, but Pierre Nuwa, I no could say, ye Pierre Sika, and the man contractor. Nambo no, a fee, and all bell report to side case, no, and the Ama Attorney General, now Attorney General, ye deep, if you should. You understand me? The Lord, the Secretary Addo come, and Addo say the battle is still the Lord's. The battle still remains the Sasemwe was one of the critics of Nanado and Dr. Bawumia 2024 campaign. One of the pillars of the NDC critics was one of this. But you never know, it is coming from the horse's own mouth to say, Dr. Bawumia never steal any money. Dr. Bawumia never gave any money to any contractor to get his share from it. And moreover, expansively, MPP did not give money, tires payer money, no. Yam fam koma contractor. Say on Jinkodi, and I am fam koma MPP contractor, be say on Jinkodi because of MPP. And to kuja tabrakwa, Samijamfi, John Darigadra Mani Mahama, say somebody Jinapo, say who Jinapo, Captain Smart, Nana Jantua, Enkurasi Fodum, Edunsia, Adunu, Aduoche, Oha. And Pashasemna no Moka across the country, said Dr. Bawumia, enemy Mia, enemy Crawford. Omovia or mind 12 million cities, $1 no, and then Yakupon on Pebone. Afa Dr. Bawumia, Edna Jina Kunkonso, Aho Horono, Ashenatali Fufua, Safino. Mr. Matthew, thank you very much for what you did. Sakoshi Waya Upisa Kwawe and you have done the biggest success in your political career. You said that to seminar, support, and so tank back home. And the amount this for said from January 2025 and copying December 7th, 2028. Odio Munya Dr. Bawumia Maya. Omo kasa, omo ankasa, omo mfa semina ne sapo, enyare Bawumia, omo nyare no, omo ankasa nyare no. And I thank God that the mighty minority knows what they are doing in the parliament. Omo ankasa, omo numu semno, and omo di nyare Dr. Bawumia. I'm gonna be the president 2029, inshallah. Because all the lies, gradually, it is cramping. And problem with the good Dr. Bawumia Subiano, in Kakranka, they are actually, what they say, omitting, a couple of free omitting, that it was a lie that they lie about Dr. Bawumia. You see, anybody said, when no moon sem, and the chill video, it is soon video, I said, Chiwa. In Yawa, the can't be a Kamaimu, meaning Ebiana in other tribes. You can't walk as a fufu, but in Akamaimu, you see the Chidama and Pro. You see the Chidama and Pro. And similarly, you would Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. The independence of Ghana is meaningless until the whole Africa is free from the colonial masters. So I said, no, Hura, Kwame Nkrumah years back, no, Kwame Nkrumah woo, Nikase Kropa Assassi bin Yehobium, Apro Atete, Ayera. But that words still remain because they were powerful words. That is the same thing that is happening today. Touch the man pro, no, and yes, I will touch the man in pro, the whoever pro. But asem na oka ye na asem a obeka no, you can always be held accountable through your own words from your own mouth. And then one said gradually ye banya to wase what them say ha a evidence based show that ye neutral ha rasmi the entire amount for a penny show and say I will not lie to you. I will not lie to you. I will just give you facts. Me scratching ya. I feel I'm dabi. Me simple. In the simplicity evidence-based show. Broga me kamadre. I talk my mind. But I'll talk my mind with evidence to support my mind. The catcher said, NDC free direct Dr. Bawumia. Timmy, Omu direct Dr. Bawumia, October 2028, and Ombebonishre. No, October 2028, Ombebon a powder, that one I'm not from. Now, why if we him 8 December 2028, Dr. Bawumia, Ombebonishre, gradually, NDC is going to do that job for the MPP. Omono Musam, and the better, the hold one. One such Yantoaso, Yankoyanim, with another episode. What can you present no? Okuja Tabrakwa, Ghana, Amucha Yawum, and a friend you got to pray. We don't need pray. And then the NDC is championing to buy what? A pray. With the wager of people, NDC for Muti ever buy what is a Jimmy for, a Quasia for, a Jimmy for us for. Waminya to begin and Fatame. Now, and then, Yanko next topic. Next topic. And then me fa media no more. Baby obefabia. Congratulations to John Dramani Mahama. Congratulations to John Dramani Mahama. And then you say John Dramani Mahama Timi Ako UK. Ako Kasa Edi Achre Aprofuse Eliema Bio Movie Aye. Bachote mi pa. Eliema Bia Movie Aye Abrana Kwato Dredi Ekosono Omo Ensign and family. We about the asem Kessia and this for the Jayasum ewo media. But you know, me mentased in Tiamam for or more time, Akufuato especially like that. Me name the Tia. Even though this man has been one of the prominent presidents that Ghana has ever had, Akufo-Addo has been one of the best presidents that Ghana. But this man has been hated. He has been hated seriously. But Mohan just maybe because Akufo-Addo was against corruption, I think that is what created more room for hatred. Because man for Kwan in China, you will not get what you wanted. Because, one must no beche or mind is Canada. So I sometimes console myself and say, people hate Akufo-Addo because of how honest and how principled he is. Because, brother, Nana Akufo-Addo, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo on the 78th UN Assembly or call, I think at the UN Assembly hall. And a papa echo, you know, catch up for no more shareholder in our said. Obilibu said, Abibi mine, actually ayaka, the sika sama ayentene, a much abaya sono. And your money I hear from one, and ye in a photo. Number no Obilibu said, it is due to how a profono ɛfa kwan a aborɔfo fa so ɛde bɛwia yɛ gyapadeɛ binom mɛde firi ɔman no de kɔɔ ɔmo man mu a ɔmo di so mfasoɔ ɛne kwan a ɔmo fa so ɔmo bɛsesa yɛn nkurɔfoɔ yɛ nananom yɛ nanankaa so anom a na ɔmo na adwene no wɔ ɔmo tim a ɔmo ahyɛ ase ɔmo bɛwodi yɛ man no ɔmo bɛsesa ɔmo de kɔɛ no ɛno effect no na ama Africa man ni nyinaa no bere biara no yɛn kɔ yɛn nim. So he believed said the time has come because can say bra yɛde mmeraba America sɛ nkoato yɛntwam a yɛnam so ankoa na ɔmo wɔ ɔmo masters nsɛm wɔ America ne other countries no yɛgyaa wɔn no yɛtua sika ma wɔn ɛto no so hu ni sɛ it is a time that the white men must to give back everything that they stole from us, including historical objects, museums, amanfo tu kwan kohwe ekotua sika de mo amomfani nyina mraye na ye museums ewo yekro na amanfo aba obo sika dini say afibia Africa for ye lose about $60 billion because niama nkeye dia nkebe kipino wo yaman mu nanka amanfo fira ma no ne aba behwe no aborofo na sesa gugu omo man mu e na omo je mu sika ento se yamfa ni nyina asam na Ghana fo ena bie say damage omo de ama African race no sika bia ni ho a betimi adan compensate but because we cannot do bad against bad you know, the white countries must compensate Africa by supporting us without interest and all those things. I can say more in our Asema Yura and Addo the UN 78th Annual Assembly. Tibrofuni Yeba, my church of Badu, Tiasama Yura and Addo Ekai. Sabrina Yura and Addo Kasem, NDC 14 at Tempa, NDC 4 Trump Bonopa. Listen.
Bring the subject of reparations firmly to the fore.
Welcome to Africa at the UN.
Mr. President, to shirk any responsibility for the problems we face that are of our own making. And it bears repeating that we are not craving for sympathy and we do not want to be a scar on anybody's conscience. But we cannot, and the world should not pretend that the present-day economic and social conditions of Africa have nothing to do with the historical injustices that have fashioned the structures of the world. It is time to acknowledge openly that much of Europe and the United States have been built from the vast wealth harvested from the sweat, tears, blood, and horrors of the transatlantic slave trade and the centuries of colonial exploitation. Maybe we should also admit that it cannot be easy to build confident and prosperous societies from nations that for centuries have their natural resources looted and their peoples traded as commodities. For centuries, the world has been unwilling and unable to confront the realities of the consequences of the slave trade. But gradually, this is changing, and it is time to bring the subject of reparations firmly to the fore. Granted, the current generations are not the ones that engaged in the slave trade, but that grand inhuman enterprise was state-sponsored and deliberate, and its benefits are clearly interwoven with the present-day economic architecture of the nations that designed and executed it. Reparations must be paid for the slave trade. No amount of money will ever make up for the horrors, but it would make the point that evil was perpetrated, that millions of productive Africans were snatched from the embrace of our continent and put to work in the Americas and the Caribbean without compensation for their labor. If there are any hesitations in some minds about the paying of reparations, it is worth considering the fact that when slavery was abolished, the slave owners were compensated for the loss of the slaves because the human beings were labeled as property, deemed to be commodities. Surely, this is a matter that the world must confront and can no longer ignore. The African Union has authorized Ghana to hold a global conference on the issue in November in Accra. It is probably also the time to return to that vexed subject of illicit financial outflows out of the continent of Africa. I refer to the report of the panel chaired by the highly respected former South African President Thabo Mbeki on the illicit flow of funds from Africa, which states that Africa is losing annually more than 88 billion United States dollars through illicit financial outflows. Yes, those monies too must be returned to the continent. It is difficult to understand why the recipient countries are comfortable about retaining such funds and are happy to call those countries from whom the monies are taken as corrupt. I believe that a joint task force of the African Union Commission and the OECD Secretariat under the auspices of the United Nations should be charged to find ways of stopping the damaging outflows. Mr. President, before the pandemic, we, like many other parts of the world, were making progress with the 17 SDGs, and we have good reason to believe we will achieve the 2030 target. Today, the picture we have on our performance is not very bright. Most of the 21 targets designated for achievement by 2020 have not been met, and we are not on track to achieve many other targets by 2030. According to the 2023 SDG report, just 12% of the SDG targets are on track to be achieved. Progress on 50% of the targets is weak. The most disappointing part is that we have stalled or retrogressed more than 30% of the targets. We need to accelerate action on the entire project. Mr. President.
Well, in any case, as some of you about Bawumia can and Sabre no Muno, and I say, Yamfa, a Japati Bia, a Profuna Bia, a dear free Africa, my Mamudi Quaman or Nibiano, Yansan Famra. Na Africa for so into me any from our object, a historical object, a value, attract a lot of tourism, a creating a lot of revenue and income to the African countries. Nanando ka same way, in NDC for more platform so edit na tem. Nanando, I'm for time. A month for time for no reason. Listen to this video.
The dues were quiet. One foul mine uncle. Was there forest? Was there gold? Was there mango? Was there diamond? Was there any form of wagon, papa? Maybe son and Addo say, I brought better man gold, not be gold, not to call. Mangan is a to call. This is not the time for reparation discussion. You see, when you resurrect this discussion now at the Yaoba,
at the end of the discussion, say about
it's needless.
Apart from AU agenda, what say a no now?
The reason why I will not even would like to discuss this further and say another AU chairperson agenda. That's number one. Number two, Ghana and Africa at this moment, we don't need that. Kwame, so when Floyd Mayweather bear bossing ring him out, they also say shut up and prepare. Take my quotation. Operation Fatih Zuma Nelson, our bossing ringer. It's not about shouting. It's not about sloganeerism. It's about keeping quiet to prepare. For Singapore as a case study. What did Singapore do? In the 1970s, Singapore was a tiny country. Malaysia wanted to buy Singapore. What did Lee Kuan Yew do? He kept quiet and built his country. Kwame, so you see silence is golden. Not build the Ghana. They rather come and apologize to you. Ghana and Africa doesn't need reparation. What we need is a conscious leadership. And one aka and semuno. Abrofra bedi yesoko. You don't forget to say. Nanadu aoka se ubeko nana bi cry a part of the slave trade mechanism.
Oh how?
Because tie slave trade nearby, you know, it was engineered by 3 people, powerful African leaders, traders, and agents. Sanko foreign a Bawumia abi before through indirect rule. Ebedi edi slave trade by, and slave trade gave birth to colonialism. And to be no, menka so kan wo. Nani nananom kwa a part of homo promote to slave trade. Because the slave trade no make people richer. Don't forget to say slave trade gave birth to property owning democracy. Because in slave trade no human beings were seen as property. Ye huni pasa japade o. Ye fa sa boa. And we came. The moment of the country in West Africa and yet the discussion of resulting reparation. At the moment we need conscious leadership. Leadership and the review. Leadership and I want to say cathedral. Leadership a better corruption so. Leadership has also the use start a ban to an worker. When you can do the fundamentals right, Abrofo be respectful. Me, I work with the Commonwealth. And let me tell you, so Commonwealth in penny foolish here. Your country some respect you. Do you know what they respect?
Ghana count.
They respect Rwanda, Papa. You know why? Rwanda was quiet and building his country. So, my suggestion to the president in Addo is too late to call. What you should do, they say, build your country. Kwame say, oyere ohona man ho ye fa man for kamfo no. Se man na ye chichire no. Ya entire man for ya nkulase ye bansa. Na ye chichire man ni ye. Ye create nyuma. Amanfo nko wo nsuo so e ma kwa wo mutimi wuye ye ya kwan yi a sakwase broni kwa kopa visa aba ukroma or respect. The moment of the reparation call is too late to call, is defeatist, is not needed, and it is simply his AU chairperson agenda. Okay. And I don't buy into that.
Yes, and the way this was what the NDC was saying about Addo, because Addo was talking about repatriation. Say before the NDC soldier Addo the bold man who was able to champion this idea. John Darega came to power 2012 to 2016. Was he able to go to the United States and talk about this? Professor Evans Fifi Atamils, he was a president. Unfortunately, he lost his life on our way going. Was he able to champion the repatriation of the slave trade, object and other things? My brother, my sister, Flight Lieutenant Johnny John Rawlings became a president. Was he able to face the white man and tell them to bring back whatever they stole from Africa? No. Neither J. Kufuor did that. But ask yourself, why did Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo started that? Because Nana Addo has been a human rights lawyer and he understands really what it means. And that is why he had the courage to go to the UN and nudge them and demand and start pushing an agenda for the white men to recognize and say what they did in Africa was really a damage, or was one of the biggest criminal act against humanity. It is only Nana Addo after 65 years who was able to say that in front of the white man, but they insulted him. But what is happening today? And then NDC is jubilating. People are calling John Mahama goat. People are calling John Mahama the president of all time. Adintia. He has continued with what Nana Addo started. Hey, and Tinipa no kofa adene bayen. Kofa bayen. Where you nama? Obi obeye ntoaso no. A obi adwene eda ne tim and obetoaso. You are praising him. You see how the NDC is hypocritical. You see why I'm telling you, say people hate Nana Addo for nothing. Nothing. They just hate him because he will not compromise himself for you to steal. But what did the NDC not come? He was actually insulting Nana Addo for going to the white men to demand them to bring back whatever they stole from Africa. But now, and then I don't want to show you any video where they are what? They are praising John Mahama because it makes me piss off. I'm pissed off because I cannot accept it. Say enra adere na enye ene a hero ten and they see part with I don't know what is wrong with you guys. The thing was not good yesterday, but it is good today because of hypocrisy. Because of hypocrisy. Because of hypocrisy. Memo, Yankupon, and then Mubedi. Samu Kai Jankuma Akufuado, the daughter of Nana Danko Akufuado. This woman, apparently Papa president, she decided say interchange is a Ghana, a yes meant she just want to bring something beautiful to color the cities with pictures and other things. Manu we fat on who said, ne papa ye president, no correct. But she thinks say cement na ye interchanges no e white do don't know or bepe kwam bi so na wa pe found them wa pe sika e de afri ba bi e de ayesa adwuma no e na maami e kone na mu a e na amanfo e donate sika ma no e na maami e de edwuma bi e ti se we say nyuma we no penti the interchanges in Accra or shall say from Accra and open penti look at it too. I think you can see this is when the Nana Danko Akufuado daughter did this one. Nana Danko Akufuado ban years Juma way. As a mayeti free NDC for another say, Mammy way Akufuado assessa $25 million a month. So Uncle Petit interchange. And nipa da sani time wa ya. Se nipa da sani time wa ya na ya pa. Iti mami atem di ne papa atem. Mami ba bonte be kan se da bi ya mani sika bia. Onu ana e fa kwa bi so. E ko hwe sika from donation e di ba yes adwuma no. Iti mami na atem sa betene. A regional minister a representative of the president at a particular region. I have friend Asanteman. And then a Juma Waya achievement Kasiapa and say, what plenty interchange for Kumasi. And for that reason, Kumasi and Kurasifo journalist Pinum and also say, well, yeah, Juma Kasiapa. But you saw say interchange, you know, why is here? And people are buying the CJ for the sea. Nipa no yes, Juma. Yamwana Basu. Nana Danko Kufuado built an international airport in Kumasi, or near Rema Kumasi for. He back on 4-tier interchange at Swame. COVID, Ukraine, Russia war crisis, Amanan Tinyan to Aso. Yes, MP before I hear it. But was your penny minister Kurakitua Bia? Nkuradwene ne woni ti. Na onim say street art way. Any administration job. In some other countries, Saudi we will yawe na najubisi. In some other countries, this street art, ubeyempona, uyani anajo. But kwasi ampanyi ni biya yamana ye regional minister onim di oyo. Ghana, Kumasi, and open interchange. And I am Crofonus, a man for Jinu Riasio. A man for Jinu Riasio. OBS International Airport, the amount was why Juma. Obi are projected to build 4-tier tied interchange Osi wanye juma. Enipa na obo na basketball so obeye ne tre. Enipa na osi interchange no so wanye juma. Be kwase ampanyi bi obo aya. Why budget so the company why juma. But maami bi ana onka government ho. Why just a daughter of a president. And odi adwene ba say he want to color the interchanges by her own. He demand atem di ni papa atem di MPP amanyofu nyina atem. But the same job no. Say Frank Amoako hene koye dia or se fata say ebona paso. Therefore, we are very ungrateful. Well, look at this video. Mami Babo until be suka tregana for say a man a capre. Watch this video. Wait, you are not go for Addo ne Bawo. I say daughter President Kufuado has strongly denied report that she was given $25 million to Beautiful One. She said the allegation of such a contract being reported. Just a video where can hear. Mami Babo until be sutre Ghana for say tomorrow we are me. Miankasa me poto musika na me ye say tomorrow. A promotion many funding being a married yasadi way. A young papa ne ma musika. NDC and Ghanaians says no. A young correct. So far as over paye a president and Kwanye Yama contract. And I say Juma win 1 year so the fiscal. It was just something that he wanted to do it to help make Ghana more beautiful. As we the papaya tem delay, ne batem delay ratem can the epibiado to Fuano. But a main regional minister, the president representative of Kumasi in Asante region, one of the no painted. Jan to was champagne this young mob and Wako Hena Basu or year Juma. And you this is the future. Hey, what the Mamma Fancy and young Queen. Abuja, winning 4th estate. So when him 4th estate, I'm a bachelor who is 4th estate. 4th estate today, never be able to go up on track. I think said tomorrow, the whole internet was shut down. And this is what this is a good track. In any case, before we go to the 4th estate, any kind of idea with. Bachelor Addo. One single road, it has given to 3 different companies as a contract with 2 different prices. We are not of 4th state, or expose now you're upgrading of Bole, Madari, Chaga Road, 12-kilometer road and other 3 kilometers. 218 million 886 218 million 800,000 867.87 cents. Company here, Aztec Company Limited. Another one, the same road, another the same amount to another company, Bunas Company Limited. The same road, Tenio, the same road, the amount of Yatisokakra, 211 million 507,505.61 to another contractor. One road for 3 different contractors. Now they young to us in any case, 4th estate, one of the investigative company or a kind of a private auditing or private investigation journalist team or Morgana. If from 4th estate, they are very, 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 very accurate. Very accurate. Neutral. Neutrals. They don't partake any political party. The seminar will go up concerning NDC for kind of opposition in terms of soul sourcing. Any NDC for Baba when
NDC was in opposition. They campaigned against the abuse of sole source. Here was Sami Jemfi holding the MPP accountable to their promise.
On the 8th of September 2016, now about 6:20 p.m., or say overpricing of contracts through the use of sole sourcing is very typical of this John Mahama NDC government. 23rd August 2016 on Twitter, or say the era of sole sourcing will come to an end. Sole sourcing, ye chem, because sole sourcing, chrono. Or say we promise to move away from a predominance of sole sourcing to tendering in procurement, and we have delivered. MPP ba omunyebi, wama appointees warning, mamunko yebi. Ono also say abine di niboshe so sole sourcing there, omejai. New angle bi aba MPP for the bomb by no chrono ye pa. Idea your friend sole sourcing. Cocoa Road Projects company yunkwenye ba ko mienu. What can a 83 million cedis, Titisicano 830 billion. And Bawumia, as answer the Ama on one new company, and also sole source.
Because if 87%, that is 175 contracts out of 266 did not go through any competitive, transparent process, then it means that these guys are shortchangers. They lie their way into power.
And Okujoto Ablakwa promise cancelling sole sourcing.
The promising in our manifesto, the Reset Ghana manifesto, Yeba amended the Public Procurement Act. Say single source yebe chaso because it's been abused.
Some of you on record.
Oh yes. Yebe chaso.
The NDC had more to say about sole sourcing.
Or say we will abort rampant sole sourcing, Bawumia. Or this sole sourcing, ye chem. The exception and not the norm, because sole sourcing they are more minor eboka. So when you want some any edible for when you want some edible bim.
And when the NDC won political power, they affirmed their vow.
Mr. Speaker, will minimize sole source procurement to encourage competition, competitive bidding, and enhance public transparency in the procurement processes.
Single source procurement must be the rare exception rather than the norm. We must also subject government projects above a certain threshold to value for money audits. But that is government bleeding. Everybody cutting their pound of flesh. That must stop.
Mr. Speaker, we are bringing legislation to this House to tighten our procurement processes by banning sole source contracts, except in exceptional circumstances.
And let it be known, the era of the sole source contract is dead. The value for money office bill is our sword against waste.
While the government kept assuring Ghanaians, the fourth estate started digging. We sent an RTI request to the Ministry of Roads and Highways on the government's Big Push initiative. And guess what? They responded. The data they gave us indicates that 107 contracts has been signed by this government under the flagship Big Push initiative. Out of these 107 contracts, 81 worth over 73 billion were awarded through sole sourcing. The remaining 26 were given out on selective tendering. This means none of these contracts were awarded on competitive tendering basis.
And indeed, Mr. Speaker, there's spurious information online that 76%
Honorable
of
Minister, just go ahead with your
projects
statement.
were sole source is also false. Only about 44% of those projects were procured through sole sourcing. And I state on record, Mr. Speaker, we are making progress as a house and as a country to make sure that much of our procurement is done competitively. But that is why I'm saying that those who claim to have done this so-called analysis based on data we submitted to them freely didn't help the country. Because if they did due diligence, they would have known that those percentages they put outside were pure fabrications and false.
The minister is accusing the fourth estate of fabricating data. That's ridiculous and utter falsehood. The fourth estate has relied solely on data that his own ministry presented to us, which he is denying on the floor of Parliament. It is worth stressing that the fourth estate requested data specifically on the Big Push initiative from January 2025 to February 2026. The data we have presented to the public is the data that the Ministry of Roads and Highways delivered to us. Today, the minister says over 400 contracts have been awarded through competitive bidding. Does that mean this data was outside the request we made to the ministry? The fourth estate will continue to present facts on these road contracts.
Yes, and the fourth estate, where your bigger exposure, where someone ma contract, na contract out the Maya, a mu or hanchiche mu adu soon enu. One makwai, amu pia, ame compete. Also the yarn of Pajano the share contractor means. But one of your major campaign message, and even after elections, Abaya, a friend in Domahama buying, or no one can say between Ponting can say, or moon for contractor, my contractor without not allowing others to partake. But whilst they were promising, at the same time they were giving sole source and contracts. A year new, the Minister of Road and Highway, Etimico Parliament, could throw. Hey, these guys, they are dangerous, and I pity for any Ghanaian who voted for this party. I wish I would always see a bereko. Acha, yes, but the jack is here. Namamia or say Anthony. Otimija or comment section box and I say, now, what like the video? Now, I shall follow me, unsubscribe for yourself, and subscribe on this channel on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. Grass Media GH. I wish I for my crown. Until we meet again, adios.